Good morning, everybody. Welcome back from your holidays. I hope you continue being so motivated. And I want you to say that we miss you a lot, but we're happy to continue learning with you. Today, in our science class, we are going to learn about how is life in the farm. What are the activities that can be done in the farm and what things can we find in the farm? I really hope that you learn and enjoy. These are our success criteria for today. I can learn some activities that happen in the farm. And I can learn some farm objects vocabulary. This is our agenda for today. First, we are going to check some vocabulary that is going to help you understand this lesson. Then we are going to watch a video from the Aula Virtual. After that, we are going to do a comprehension exercise or game. And finally, we are going to work in the book on page 67. Here's some vocabulary that is going to help you. You are going to listen and repeat after me. It is a barn. It is a barn. The barn is the place where animals can be. We can also put some food or hay or seeds in the barn. It is an orchard. It is an orchard. The orchard is the place where we can grow fruits and vegetables. It is a tractor. It is a tractor. The tractor is used by the farmer to move all around the farm. It is a pigsty. It is a pigsty. The pigsty is the place where we can find the pigs, where the pigs are. It is a bucket. It is a bucket. The bucket is used to transport water or soil or maybe to put some fruits in. Let's continue. Here we have some more. It is hay. It is hay. The hay is used for the animals to sleep and lay down. It is a meadow. We can find meadows in the farm with a lot of grass and trees. It is a hen house. It is a hen house. The hen house is the place for the hens, where they can lay their eggs. It is a wheelbarrow. It is a wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow is used to transport grass, soil, seeds, hay, animals. Okay, now in this moment you are going to go and watch the video that is called Life in the Farm. In that video, you are going to see what activities are done in the farm, check what objects do you find or do you see, and after that, you come back again with Miss Maria Claudia. Let me show you where is the video. You go to Aula Virtual to the place that says Life in a Farm, April the 23rd. And you click here, how is life in the farm? When you're done with that, you come back with Miss Maria Claudia. Very good. Now that you watch the video, Miss Claudia is going to make a little exercise with you. What activities did you see in the video? For example, if you see this activity, milking, you have two options, true or false. If it is true, you are going to point with your pointer to the happy face. If it is false, you are going to point to the sad face. Let's start. Did you see someone milking cows in the video? Yes or no? Think. And the answer is yes, true. Happy face. Let's go with other activity that you saw in the video. Did you see someone driving a tractor in the video? Driving a tractor? Yes or no? Remember to use your pointer. And the answer is no, sad face. No one was driving a tractor. Now this one. Did you see someone collecting cherries? Remember that cherries are little red fruits. Little fruits that are very juicy. Yes or no? And the answer is yes. Some people were collecting cherries. Now, here we have some more activities that can be done in the farm. For example, the farmer has to collect the eggs. All the mornings, the farmer has to collect the eggs from the hens. The farmer has to feed the animals. He has to give food to the animals. And the farmer has to water the plants. Water the plants. Very good. Now, in this moment, you are going to go and look for your big fan book. Open it on page 67. And you are going to cut and paste the 4 animals that you see there. But you are going to color these animals following Miss Maria Claudia's instructions. For example, you are going to color the rabbit black color. You are going to color the chicken red color. You are going to color the cow white and black. And you are going to color the horse brown. When you're done with this, you are going to stand up and make some exercise. Go hopping to the kitchen. And you are going to check there what products or what food that you see there comes from the farm. What food that you see in your kitchen comes from the farm. And on the same page 67, you are going to draw 3 of them. 3 food that you find in your kitchen that comes from the farm. Okay? And if you want to go farther, but this is optional, you are going to do a little investigation. These things can be also found in the farm. So, what are you going to do? You are going to check what are the names of these 2 things and what are they used for. You can go and look in a book. Maybe you can go and ask your parents, or you can go and look in the computer with your parents. And finally, you can read the book, The Big Red Barn. It is in the Aula Virtual too. It is in the Aula Virtual. I am going to show you where. Here it says, book, The Big Red Barn. You can read it if you want, but remember this is optional. I am so glad to see you today. I sent you all my heart, all my love, and all my kisses. See you later. See you the next class. Bye bye.